So last night I was being lazy and didn't bring in the old feeder. So today seems like a good day to set up the new one. Nice stainless steel. And this is neat. So the way it works is the chickens actually have to stick their head in there to get the feed from the bottom of, this is the lid. There's actually more space in there. It's kind of interesting. I didn't realize those were gonna be so big. This keeps rain water from getting in there. They just, a lot of ants in this garage. So there's waterproof stickers because there are holes on the back. If you were going to be mounting this to the side of a coop, which I will not be, used to cover mounting holes when not hanging. Stickers should be placed on the outside, so I am not hanging. Fill it up. I have some feed left in here from another day where I forgot to bring the feeder in, and I just filled up a Ziploc and took it out like that. I am a lazy chicken tender. Lid is neat. It's specifically made for feed, so it also has this wash spout. And this feeder can hold 10 pounds of feed. And you can see I have a new bag of feed right here because I knew I was getting low. Right now, they're eating all the food that I dumped out of the old feeder. They do like to peck the ground. We'll see if at some point somebody wants to stick their head in there. The funny thing with chickens is that it kind of takes one like braver chicken to do something, and then once the others see it doing that, then they'll follow. But there has to be that one brave one. They're not, I was in my mind thinking about how like a dog is gonna smell its food. They're just gonna follow the scent to their food if they're really hungry. Obviously these chickens, they're just happy pecking on the ground and didn't even realize they have all this food at their disposal. See, nobody's using this side hole because nobody's really discovered it yet. But since that one discovered the front hole, they're all like pushing each other to get in there. So it probably won't take long for them to discover this. And they clearly love the new water. So that's wonderful. Another thing I did last night when I came out here, because there was water kind of left in the bottom, is I raised it up on one side so it kind of tilts to the side, hopefully to help drain as much of the water as I can. Look at her, she's happy. Eventually I have to name my chickens. They do not have names right now because I haven't worked very hard to tell them apart. Obviously the rooster is obvious. And then there's one that I'm pretty sure was the sick one that I had to like kind of nurse back to health a little bit. And she always seems to come down. And so it's usually the rooster and her at the end of the night. Pretty sure I know who that one is. But we'd originally told the girls they could each name a chicken. So we'll see. We'll update on that. They are actively searching for more ways to get to this food. So let's go back over here one more time. They figure it out. Oh, there they go. They got it. They got it. All right, I can go about my day feeling good that you have all the food you could ever want.